How to find real settings on Instagram on your account on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find real settings on Instagram on iOS phone. As you see here, click on these three lines. Now click on your activity, and now you will see here content you shared. Just you can manage anything you want here, and you will see reels. Click on it, and that's how to manage your reels on Instagram. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.